and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Etisalat Esim to another phone. Now, if you have a new phone and now you want to transfer your Etisalat eSIM from your old phone to the new phone, the only method that you have is to contact with the Etisalat customer support team and request a new eSIM QR code. So in order to do it, first of all, you will have to come on the official website of Etisalat, that is etisalat.ae. Now, once you are on this page, you just have to simply hover over to the top right hand corner and you need to just click on this option that says chat with us. So once you click on it, you will be landed on the support page where this type of chat box will open in front of you. So you will have to click on it and then you will see this type of message box or this type of dialog box in front of you. Now you can launch your chat with it here. So first of all, you need to provide your username and then your mobile number. So make sure that you provide your registered mobile number here and then fill out this captcha and launch a chat. Now in the chat you will have to simply tell them that you want to request the new eSIM QR code and you need to provide further details, and they are going to give you a QR code which you can then scan in your new device, and this way you will be able to transfer your Etisalat eSIM in a new mobile. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.